I've been a CPA since 1989, so I've been doing this for a while. I work with small businesses, and that's kind of a passion of mine. I love working with a company and helping them grow, because the more they grow, the better I grow. I like being a part of the team. We basically tailor our services for our clients' needs, so we can do as much or as little as what you need us to do. We do payroll, we do after-the-fact payroll, or we can do the payroll processing itself. We do the sales tax for our clients. We can also file the tax returns. We try to do the whole picture for our clients. We try to stay, if they need us just to maybe touch base with them once in a while, or if they need us to, do everything. We pretty much can do it either from our location, we can remote into your computer, or we can actually go and set up shop at your office. It just depends upon, again, the level of service you need. The main thing that makes us unique is that we do treat you as part of our team. We do know that there are a lot of good CPAs out there, but we look for those that we're a good match for, those that we speak the same language, if you will, that we're not going to just abandon you, do your taxes, and say goodbye. You only hear from us once a year when it's tax time. We try to stay with our clients all through the year, if nothing else on a quarterly basis. Generally we like a monthly basis, but sometimes it's like a quarterly, and in a few cases it may be a semi-annual. But that way, as things go through the year and you have issues or something comes up, then we're aware of your situation and we can best provide advice or guidance. And that's what our job mainly is to help give you the proper guidance so you can make an informed decision. One of the things that we really do enjoy working with are the smaller, more startup businesses. That's the point where you have the most potential and the most growth. And right now, with the economy the way it is, I feel like we're going to have more startups and more small businesses because the big businesses aren't there. And people need a little more guidance because they may have never had a business in the past, or they may not know what's the difference between paying, employee taxes and income taxes. We had one client, when times got very bad, he decided he would do his own tax return. And it was so funny because he knew he didn't make any money on the sales of some stock, so he didn't report it. And the IRS came back and said, gee, you owe us $20,000. And he, calls me up. He's like, wait, what's going on? I don't, And so we looked at it and we found, well, no, you still have to report the sales, because as far as the IRS is concerned, they don't know that you actually had a loss on the sale of stock. So we helped him through that, and he actually got a refund. Instead of having to pay them $20,000, he got a refund of like $700, which is much better than having to pay. But that's, a lot of times people don't understand. I mean, I'm in the tax code all the time, and a lot of people don't know all the ins and outs. And the question, or the answer to most of your tax questions, is maybe. It depends, because the laws are so complicated now that you have to look at everything before you can make a call. Can you take this deduction or can you not? The days of sitting down with your pencil and pen and doing your taxes are long gone. You at least need a computer at this stage, and that's only if you have just a W-2. But anybody who has any type of business or has any type of situation regarding their taxes that is beyond just a W-2 and maybe a mortgage, they can't do their taxes anymore because it's just too complicated. You have to know what's going on with the rules and regulations. Most of our clients stay with us because we are part of their team. They're not just a client with us. They are, we're their team, they're our team. And that's the way we focus on our clients. you know, they're a welcome guest into our company, if you will. They're not a number, they're not just a dollar sign to us, they are actually part of us. And that's been the biggest reason why we've maintained and we've kept our clients, is that they are part of our team and we work with them.